If you use your vacuum cleaner to clean your house, and when you finish, you now decide to clean it, does that also make you a vacuum cleaner?
Continue.
My neighbor, Nnamdi, married a girl from Congo called Joanna. Can we say that he married Joanna?
Hey, bro, come on now, dog.
How close do we have this?
Continue.
2 weeks after, Nnamdi told me that he bought a car. But I was not thinking about it that with the way he spent so much money, it will have to be a Tokumbo car.
Bagaun.
But can I shock you? You won't believe that when I saw the car, Nnamdi car, no. Yes.
Make use of your brain now.
Brand new car.
Continue.
My friend John, who is a married man, he spent so much last week Valentine's on his wife. In fact, if I remember very well, the big cake he gave his wife, now one of our friends, David Beckham.
Come on, man.
2 days after, I saw his wife entering one house with another man. I picked up my phone. I took pictures. Shara. I called my friend John. I said, John, can I see you?
No problem.
I met John and I said, John, your wife is a farming tool.
God damn.
I mean, your wife they run town.
Hey!
He said, no, yeah. My wife is this, my wife is that.
You're a mumu man!
But you know, we are not many that can be trusted anymore.
Yes?
I picked up my phone, I swipe. And I said, John, see now.
Like normal.
He took the phone. He zoom. He said, he resemble my wife, but maybe no beer.
Oh my God.
I said, bro, can we go there now? He said, no problem.
My nigga.
We got to the hotel. We entered. We went to the poolside. Can I shock you?
Shock me, sir.
We saw John's wife romancing this man.
Sorry.
Immediately John saw this. Now so John weak.
This one is one of us.
So sad.
Get out of here.
Continue.
I remember one of my friends, Mark. Very rich guy. Very fat guy. But a very generous guy. In fact, I remember one time, Mark booked an all-expense-paid trip for he and his guys. Suddenly last week, I heard that Mark was hospitalized. Inside life.
Can you fuck off?
I said no. I must visit Mark. I got to the hospital and I told the nurse, I said, Madam, can I see my rich fat friend, Mark?
No problem.
She said, come with me. I got to the room and when I saw Mark, I shed hot tears because...
Run.
This one is wrong.
When I saw Mark lean.
What?
Mark lean.
After Jehovah name is my days.
ọmọ Buhari torí ọlọ́ọ̀.